In this video, I am talking all about VidiQ, an amazing SEO tool for YouTube video creators. So let's get into it. VidiQ is really awesome because this is an easy to use SEO tool. So let me jump into the homepage of VidiQ and show you what they have to offer. So this is the home screen of VidiQ and this is the main dashboard. As you can see, then there are multiple options, like this is the daily ideas. So this is in beta mode, so as of now I'll keep it as it is. Now this is the keywords, then we have the competitors tabs, then we have the subscriber boost. Okay, so that's a different plan. Okay, so once we come into the dashboard, as you can see on the left hand side, so that's the introduction video, and this is the monetization tracker, and this is the subscriber overview. Okay, we will explore each and every tab here. So also we have this keyword opportunities where you can enter your keyword. Then there is a competitors tab here where you can add your competitors and know exactly what's the statistic from here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to enter few keywords and we'll see like what's the probability of ranking such keywords, and we'll also check the competition, what's the competition here. So as you can see, make money online, that's the keyword, and as you can see the competition, as you can see the overall score is 61, the search volume here and the competition. So the overall score is derived directly from search volume and competition. So above 60 it's considered to be good. So as you can see, like there are multiple options out here, matching terms, questions, and also there are top trending videos you can take a reference from. You can create similar types of videos from here. Okay, so we'll just click on related keywords and we'll exactly see like what are the keywords, what are the low competition keywords we can find. We can find different video ideas from here. So once you click on the overall score, I'll just create it in a descending order. So above 60, it's very considered like we can compete in above 60. So below 60 there are very like high competition keywords. So if you are a beginner, I will recommend you go for like above 60 score only, which are in green. Okay, so as you can see there are also keywords with competition very low, so it's better you target the very low keywords. Okay, so I'll select few of the keywords which we can make videos on. So as you can see, how to make money online 2022, earn money online 2022. Okay, so here as you can see I have selected few keywords here. I'll just change the keyword now. So let's try the different keyword here. So I'll try how to lose weight. Okay, so for this keywords, as you can see, so this is very highly competitive keywords here. So there is no overall score which is in green, like that is above 60. Only one keyword is there, that also how to control weight. Rest all of them are below 60. So if you are beginner, it will be very difficult for you to rank. So let's try a different keyword here. So let's try VidiQ. So we'll just check the score here. Okay, so as you can see, so there are few keywords like TubeBuddy versus VidiQ. There are different keywords which are in which the overall scroll is in green, that is above 60. Okay, how to use VidiQ, as you can see, so that's above 60 score. We can definitely make videos on such topics here. So there you go, VidiQ is a really awesome SEO tool for YouTube video creators, and I will seriously recommend it to anybody who wants to boost their views. So if you are interested in VidiQ, check the link in the description below. That will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support and I will see you in the next video.